heat and lock in. Pull up button and take off lid. Then install chute. Put container down. Unlock the handle. Adjust thickness from 0 to 8 millimeters. Slicing. Default setting is slicing. Strips. First, rotate one of the knobs 360 clockwise. Choose thickness. Then you can cut the food into strips. Julienne. First, rotate both knobs 360 clockwise. Choose the thickness from 0 to 3 millimeters. Now you can cut the food into julienne. Dicing. First, cut food into thick slice. Put the slices into the feeder and fill up the feeder. Then you rotate one of the knobs 360 clockwise. Choose the thickness from 6 to 8 millimeters. If you want to have small dices, then rotate both knobs 360 clockwise and choose the thickness from 0 to 3 millimeters. Cleaning and storage. Put the mandoline under water. Easy to fold and storage.